Welcome to DadBuilt. Today, I'm getting this patio ready for everything to be torn up so that we can put in a pool. Now, I met with the project manager this morning and he confirmed that we are on schedule for demo, dig, and the installation of the pool shell tomorrow, which means everything on this patio that's not bolted down has to go. Let's get to work. They've already started marking utilities in my yard for the upcoming dig. Let's start with the hot tub. Yesterday, I went through the process of draining this tub fast so that it could be disconnected and relocated temporarily during construction. But if you're into hot tubs, check out my channel for other videos about how to care for and maintain your hot tub so that you can enjoy it year-round. Next up, everything on this patio has to be moved, and the rest is going to get torn up and hauled away. I already got rid of the fire pit, and I took down the privacy wall that I built. I can move the patio furniture and the reach-in shed into the yard. And then I'm gonna sell my natural gas grill because the new patio is gonna have an outdoor kitchen with both a grill and a flat top built in. It's gonna be awesome. Let's talk landscaping. I want to try to save as much landscaping as I can, and these hostas have done really well in this space back here. They're healthy and they look great. Plus, hostas are a very tough and hardy plant. I've had great success transplanting them in the past. So while we're under construction, instead of losing these, I'm going to dig them up, put them in pots, and when construction is done, I'm going to replant these hostas into the new landscape as sort of a legacy element. I'm gonna dig wide around the base, trying to keep as much of the root ball intact as possible. The less disturbance there is to the root ball, the more of a chance these plants have to bounce back quickly. I'm just using some basic potting mix and 3-gallon nursery pots since this is only temporary. It's a weird feeling preparing for your backyard to basically get destroyed, but I know it's gonna be worth it once the pool goes in. And I hope that these survive long enough to make it into the finished landscaping. These are gonna stay here for a couple months while the pool construction happens. Now that I've saved the hostas, I need to prep my irrigation system for the project. I have sprinkler lines running all through the yard, and I wanna make sure that they're disconnected before they start digging. I'm nervous about all the stuff that's gonna get taken down for this project. Like this section of fence, they're gonna completely remove it to get the equipment in. I think about the sturdiness of stuff when it gets reinstalled. And I think about the lawn as well. The construction manager tells me that this yard is gonna be completely destroyed and I'm gonna need to reseed or resod the entire lawn. But I guess it's good to know that now so that I can plan for it later. I hope all this chaos is worth it in the end. This job is scheduled to take about 60 days, but we all know that with projects like this, delays can happen and things come up. And while I am nervous about some aspects of it, I'm mostly excited and I just want to get it done. Thanks for watching. I hope you check out the channel. You can follow this project and other great DIY videos for dads. I'll see you next time.